starts at 10, but this means that I can get some quality filming time with nobody being around. Check this out. This is the first thing that whenever you come up the elevator or the stairs. So, this is a company called Pininfarina. Man. So whenever you come to the entrance right there, I am right there taking care of that baby. But I'll get to show you plenty of that later. I'm gonna try my best to walk around as much as I can in the next 30 minutes. So Hyundais, because they're like, since they're like, I guess like what, adjacent or behind they're behind our booth. Because they're behind our booth, we typically hear a lot what's going on. They blast music like in the beginning of the show and at the end. It's weird. It's basically a 6x6 Land Rover Defender, which is just super dope. And right-hand drive. See if you can see that. Oh my God, look, they got a little model version of the truck in there. That's so cool. So for those who don't know, ABT, they are a tuning company for Volkswagen and Audis primarily, but all they got out here is Audis. And I don't blame them. Look at that, man. RS3 looks so dope with that kit on it. The RS4? What's an RS4? Would you look at that? RS4R. I found something pretty cool about this car. This is actually one of the manufacturer colors that you can get for this car. I thought that was pretty wicked. Any of you who used to watch Top Gear, which I'm sure all you did, this is the Zenvo, and this was the car in one of the episodes that Jeremy Clarkson happened to catch fire, but this is a more updated, more souped up version of the car. And if you look back there at that wang, those are actually 2 hydraulic shocks, and they actually will push that wing from side to side. Looks mean. This is a Huracan Peppermonte Spider. So one of my friends, Butch, he has one of these, and he's giving me a ride in it, and it's a very fast, rigid machine. But I'd like to see how the performance, handles with it being a Spider and all. I'm sure it won't compromise much, but you get that whenever you have a car without a top for the most part. But I'm interested to see how that competes with the coupe. I have the Urus, Aventador SV, and another Urus. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little disappointed that they didn't have a Centenario. You expect with a show like this that they would have one. Porsche. Yes, Porsche did bring it. This is the new GT3 RS. So look at that. Those are a bit more distinguished. Very nice though, very cool. I would have liked to see a GT2 RS, but the GT3 RS does it as well. On this brand, pretty interesting. They make this wicked looking machine here. I don't know what it has in it, and I don't know what it's based off of, but man, what a looker. Tech Art sure knows how to make one mean looking Porsche. Damn. For me, what does it on this one is the back. I mean, oh my God, would you look at that. Quad pipes, are you kidding me? Carbon fiber, NSX, and I'm assuming a Type R, and a Type R race car. Yeah, Honda has a Type R here, new Civic, and an NSX just casually over there. Look, there's that more futuristic stuff I was talking about. It's cool. I just, I wish they'd throw some of it on the road. Well, say Honda, I'm a bit disappointed that you didn't have the new S2000 here. Make a new S2000. Being a proud owner of an S2000, I would definitely like to see the trim progress, to say the least. Which brings me casually and gratefully into my next brand. We're gonna go over to Toyota, because as a proud owner of a dead Mark III Supra, Toyota has done something gracious. Oh my God, there it is. So I know this is not a road-going version of the new Supra, but this is a race version of the new Supra. And godly, just the body shape of that. Just imagine seeing this body shape on the road. A company, Varis or Vortex, or just a company is gonna make a wing like that for street. Like it is. It's gonna be, of course, some Honda boy that's gonna have it. You watch this video gets 1,000 likes. I'll put that on my S2000. That right there. That wing will go on my S2000. 1,000 likes. You can do it. God, I can't wait to see that. God, these things are gorgeous. I'm sure you guys have heard of Rough, and would you just look at this car? Like all of these, but man, like look at that one. That looks like one of the, the air-cooled Porsches, but if you look at those little slits in the back, and I'm gonna wait for it to, you know, kind of rotate over here. Car is gorgeous. God. This is, what is this? The CTR Cubed Club Sprint. Yeah, that looks fast as shit. Okay, 9 minutes left. We gotta keep moving. Oh my God, what is this? Wow, okay. It's a very aerodynamic spoon. That's gonna be a detachable flying car. Haven't really read up on the facts. First electric, zero emission. Well, that'll be cool. The body kit on this thing. I don't know if this is actually like a production car already. It's a body kit. I don't know, but it looks really cool. Let's make a pass by Koenigsegg and see if they, ooh, look at this. So if any of y'all had seen the Top Gear episode with the Disco Volante, this is the company that actually, the coach building company that actually makes the cars, and this is a Disco Volante. So hopefully I'll come back and talk to them, see if I can get a little more facts on the car. But oh my God, what a looker that is. This car look like it's from the future or what? Holy shit. Koenigsegg CCX is still on the cover, but the Regera isn't. Is that not amazing or what? Even look at those wheels. Those are carbon fiber wheels. I'm not sure if, you know, it's gonna let me focus in on that. Oh, and look at the way that door comes up. Let's see if he does it. Oh, he didn't open the door. But I don't know if you could see in there. You could see that carbon fiber. Look at that. Look at the wing. Sheesh, what a car. All right, and we're back. See, there Hyundai goes with that music again. It's like they do it every morning, I mean, it's nice music. And it looks like the show has begun. It's up, it's rotating. And now I just gotta man my staff and do homework, chill, and answer questions. It is crazy the amount of people that will come and take pictures of this thing. I mean, it's not crazy because it's obviously stunning, but I mean, you'll see. Okay, long day. It's about 6:30 p.m. right now, and I got about an hour to kind of walk around, look at all the cars. So, show you what else is here. We are at Aston. Ooh, wow. Look at that. That is the Valkyrie car. Holy shit. So this I actually saw at the Houston Auto Show. This guy is actually set to have the same engine out of the AMG GTS, which will put it at 505 brake horsepower if I'm not mistaken. Let's take a look at this. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. Is nuts. Into the back here. Oh my God. Look at that. All that. And those exhaust pipes are huge. Wow. It is so wide. There's a tiny bit of room in there for somebody. And I like how like the hood scoop's like integrated into the body. That's very cool. Cool as that is, I saw something possibly even cooler when I was walking in. Look at this, the Lykan Hypersport. Good God. Is this the Lykan? This is, no, this isn't like a Hypersport. This is something that looks like it. What does that say? Veneer Super Sport Concept. And this is their Super Sport. Oh God. That is one hell of a looker. Here's the Ferrari booth. But I'm not allowed to go in it because I'm not a customer of Ferrari. At least that's what they told me up front. That is the 812 Super Fast. I don't know why they add more horsepower to it, but there it is. And you have the new FF. You move, you old fuck. And then you have the 488 T-Step. What a looker. Oh my God. Dude, again, third time. Are you kidding me? Damn, bro, fix your hairstyle. Holy shit. I definitely like this spec a bit more. I don't know, the silver mixed with the carbon fiber, and yeah, I like that spec more. That's cool. Enough of Ferrari's bullshit. Let's go look at definitely one of my favorites here. This is the McLaren Senna. Let's look at that. So 0 to 60 in 2.7. Oh my god. Max speed 211. 800 horsepower. 800 pound-feet of torque. It's 800 kilograms of downforce at 250 kph. It weighs 2641, and that's its dry weight. So 2,641 pounds. That is very light. That's even lighter than my S2000. Look at that, man. Those stocks and everything. That goes way back. It looks like this is a similar design to the 720, how it'll come up, so those will come up just like that. Style windows, you know, and here it's also clear so you can see right through it. All these ducts everywhere. There's so many ducts. It's a little hood scoop up top. If you look there, you can see just a tiny bit of the engine. Look at that. You can see right there. It looks like this wing adjusts as well. How crazy. I mean, I don't know if you can really grasp the size of this, but this wing is huge. You can see right through it. That's super cool. And I love this right here. Oh my god. Can you imagine those 3 spitting flames? That's gonna be next. That's gonna be something else. All right, it's just about closing time. I gotta run back over to Hennessy. I just made it back to the tent. Just about out of battery. Everything's closing down. They're announcing it. Anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this. I'm having an awesome time over here at Geneva, and just the auto show it's incredible. And I'm trying to get a good bit of everything. Just trying to show y'all everything that's in the show. But if y'all have something specific that you'd like to me. If y'all have something specific that you'd like me to spend a bit more time on, find out more facts and everything, and just, you know, hear more about a certain car, a certain brand, let me know in the comments down below, and I'm gonna try to vlog for the next couple days while I'm here. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.